What's going on, guys? Phil here from PRC Taping again with another quick video for you. Today I'm going to be talking about cleaning and maintaining your Columbia matrix handle and your Columbia one handle. So an important step with handles is you want to make sure they're always clean, especially you don't have mud dried up inside where they extend. So this is the Columbia one handle here. You want to make sure that's always clean inside of here, extend it out, make sure there's no dried mud, hard inside there. Same with the matrix handle. It has the same extension here. You want to make sure there's no mud in there and it's moving nice and freely. So that being said, I have the Columbia matrix handle here. This is the one that extends from 29 inches to 39 inches. This is really good for the walls and for 8-foot ceilings. Speaking of that, cleaning it is super easy. All you got to do is take a sponge and a bucket like I do on a job site. Sponge in a bucket, make sure it's all free from any mud that you may have had in your hands while you're running it on this side and on this side. And that's just a quick and easy way just to clean it after each use. Make sure you do that. Don't let any hard mud build up, especially where things are moving. So the parts on the middle here, inside there, and again, like I said, where this extends. So the same thing goes for the Columbia one handle. Make sure it's always free from mud on the inside here and on the outside and where the threads are inside here. You're likely gonna have either a ball attachment, a nail spotter, an angle roller. All of those things can attach to the one handle. So when you're taking that off, just make sure everything is free from any mud on the outside there. So keeping both of these handles cleaned and maintained will prolong the life of your handles, and when you spend money on these things, you want to make sure they last you a long time. So just make sure you do that. So now I want to talk about maintenance kits. Columbia makes one for the matrix handle here. There's a video down below on how to install that. Make sure you check that out. And if you don't know how to change this, make sure you bring it to somebody that knows how to do that, because it's a really important step so that your brake works really well on that handle. But that's just a quick look at the Columbia maintenance kit for that handle. That's it, guys. That's a quick video on how to maintain and clean your Columbia one handle and matrix handle, and I'll catch you on the next one.